For the past 7 days, I've taken about 10 minutes out of each and every day to try this brand new side hustle that I've recently discovered, and I made about $3,400 online in the past week doing this. In today's video, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tricks that I use to get started with this side hustle, to having a look at how the top people are doing this. Some people doing this strategy have made well over 6 figures in their lifetime, which shows you the potential of a strategy like this. So that is why I really wanted to talk about this in today's video and reveal all of this to you completely for free so that you can get started with this, because we're going to be talking about a fully automated system that's going to be doing a lot of this hard work for you. I literally just spend 10 minutes at night doing this, and I've made well over 4 figures in the past week doing this. We're going to be getting traffic on complete autopilot without doing any of the work ourselves, and we can do this worldwide off just our phones or our PC at the click of a button. So if you want to see exactly how to set this up completely for free anywhere in the world, make sure to watch every second of this video, because I'm going to explain in detail in this short 10 to 15 minute clip here on YouTube on how you can get started with this and how you can scale to 3, 4, and 5 figures and up. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to follow that journey with me and have a look at how I'm making money online on a daily basis, I'm posting videos on how to make money online every single day. So if you want to get a notification from me as soon as I release my latest way on how to make money online, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. The first platform that we're going to be talking about is called Seoclerks Com. So if you've been following my YouTube channel for quite some time, you would have heard of this before. This is an old website, but it's a gem. And it's going to be seeing a strategy today that it's never seen before, that I want to explain to you, that I really feel has a great potential for growing into a full-blown business. If you have a look at some of the services on this website, from art and design, business card design, graphics and logos, voiceover, banner ads, content and writing, article writing, case studies, legal presentations, press releases, proofreading, resumes, social media management, all of these services over here, I can scroll down forever. You can pause the screen if you want to. If you know off the top of your head how to do any one of these skills, you can make money online with these websites. For example, this person over here is obviously got experience in how to rank on Google. So he's charging $17 for his service to get your site published on the first page, and he has had a total of 2,488 reviews, which I would say is the minimum amount of sales. This person over here is doing the same thing. Same with this person over here. So let's take this person who's selling a service for $55, multiply this by 12,000 reviews, which is the minimum amount of sales he would have gotten, is well over $660,000 with this. So this is just to show you how people are using their knowledge, their skills to make 6 figures off a simple gig on Seoclerks.com, offering their service. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can offer these high income skills and services without actually doing this work yourself, because we're going to have an artificial intelligence do this for us. That's why I say in the beginning, this is a fully automated strategy, because we now going to shortcut this entire process of taking years to learn the skill, and we're going to have the artificial intelligence do it for us. The category and example that I used is called article writing over here. Now you'll take a look at some people doing this service has made good money with this. This person over here is charging $5 to write a simple 1,000-word article, and it literally takes them 5 to 10 minutes a day. And they've made well over $1,000 off this simple gig. Here's another person who's writing articles. They've had well over $3,000 off their gig in the past few months. So there's tons of people making a lot of money online. If you have a look at some people on this website, even making more money. So this is Fiverr.com. We're not going to be using Fiverr simply because the article writing niche is very competitive on Fiverr, with over 44, nearly 45,000 services available. It will take some time and will take quite a bit of effort to get listed on the top page of Fiverr. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a little trick I use to rank on the top pages of all of these freelance websites pretty easily. So take a look here. Some of these people are charging about $150 to write compelling articles and blogs. This person actually got pro verified, and they've had a minimum of 337 reviews and have made well over 5 figures in their lifetime just writing simple articles, which is a lot of money for some people. The reason I'm showing you these top dogs on these top pages over here is not to show you more or less of how much you're going to be making 6 figures from day one, but it's because to rather show you how far you can scale a business like this by doing simple skills. And all you need is just to find the right platforms to get people to buy your skills. So that's all what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Because in the beginning, especially from my experience, you're not going to be making six figures in your first day or your first week or your first month. You start off small at maybe $20 in sales a day, and then $50, $100. Using the strategy that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, you will scale pretty quickly because I'm going to show you how to get ranked on the top pages of whatever service you want to offer. And once you're there, this then becomes your full-time thing. You will make more than enough money to make a massive living and to make a wealthy living from this. As you can see over here, all of these people are getting thousands of dollars on a daily basis and are busy with articles at the moment because they listed on the top page using the strategy that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, which you will learn as well. To go and get started and to post your services on these websites, especially on Seoclerks.com, which is the site we're going to be talking about today, you need to go and sign or join in on the top right over here. You will see there's a big sign that says join. If you click on join, you just need to enter your username, email, and password and confirm that. I've already got an account, so I'm going to log in with my existing account and show you how to set this up. For the purpose of today's video, I've created a brand new account on Seoclerks.com just to show you what it would look like for you. Once you've created your account, you will see you'll have no services, you've got no profile picture. All I recommend is go and set up your profile and just make it look a little bit professional. If you want more advice on that, I've got tons of videos on how to set up a freelancing gig profile, but this is not as important right now. Let's rather go and get started with writing our articles and go and use that artificial intelligence that's going to do the service for us. The exact website and AI that I'm talking about is called writesonic.com. So recently this year is a new tool that I've discovered on the internet that was launched that I've been using in various ways to make money online. Honestly, this tool has made me well over 5 figures online with all the different services that they offer. So to go and get started, you can come over to writesonic.com. This is an AI-powered content creator to boost your website's SEO and generate more traffic. So over here, you can click on start writing for free. You don't even have to enter a credit card. I'm going to sign in with my existing account. Once you've signed into your account, you will see a whole bunch of different options on your screen like this, from content rephrases to AI article and blog writers, automatic Facebook ads, AI article outlines, done for you Quora answers that this will generate for you, company visions, Google ad descriptions and titles, email subject lines, cold emails, LinkedIn posts. So this tool automatically generates you all sorts of content for every platform that you can think of. For your Google pages, YouTube intros, titles, ideas, descriptions, startup ideas, etc., etc. The exact tool that we're going to be using over here is called AI Article and Blog Writer. So we're going to go and click on this option here, and you will find by entering a simple title, it will generate an entire article for you. So we're going to go and use over here the AI Article Writer 2.0. We can go and type any topic. So remember, when you get an order on Seoclerks.com, on the checkout, they will send you a little bit of information of what they want or what your client wants. Let's say they want to talk about the future of electric cars and they want an entire article on that, and they want an article on Tesla, for example. So we can go and type over here, Tesla. Let's just go and look on Google for Tesla latest model. We can go and click on the Model S. So let's go and type here Tesla Model S. And this tool will now generate an entire article for us about the Tesla Model S. So we can click on generate ideas over here. Let's go and use this title here, Tesla Model S, reasons why you should buy one now. So we're going to click on this. In a couple of seconds, it will generate a done for you intro. We can go and choose any one of these. Let's choose the first one over here. We can then click on generate outlines. So we're going to have intro, outlines, and then the body. So over here, we've got section 1, 2, the different sections of our article. So let's go and choose this one over here, for example. We can then go and click on write an article, and your article has now been made. So all you need to go and do is go and deliver this article to your clients on Seoclerks.com. So as easy as that. It took me 5 to 10 minutes, and this is what I've been doing for the past week. And I'm going to use the strategy that I'm going to show you now to go and rank my gigs on these websites on Fiverr.com, Seoclerks, freelancers, people per hour. There's so many different websites that you can go and offer your service. What I recommend is, if you want a whole list of them, just come over to Google and type in freelance websites. And you can come over to the first link, for example, 16 best freelance websites. There's a whole list of them. You can go and list your services on all of these if you want to get as many sales as possible. And then all you do is you go and use the AI article writer on WriteSonic to go and create your article, and you just go and deliver that to all of your clients, and then you get paid. Now, it's good and all knowing how to go and write our articles, how to go and deliver that to our clients on Seoclerks.com, how to post our gig, but the most important part of the strategy is to go and get sales. How do we actually get sales with this? So I want to show you a good example that I've been using with the strategy, which is simple. YouTube.com, if you go and search how to write articles, click on enter over here, you will see people are creating videos on how to write articles. So all I would go and do is create tutorials, for example, on various different software or tools that you can use to write articles. So if you come over to Google and you type in how to write articles, you can also come over to Udemy over here. That's udemy.com, the online course website, and you go type your article writing, click on enter. You can go and watch a couple of these free courses on udemy.com, and you can go and create your own tutorials from the information that you've learned over here on YouTube. If I come over to YouTube and I filter by the most recent upload date, you will see a whole lot of new YouTube channels over here. For example, this person with a new channel already has 333 views, which is a decent amount of views. Now, what you can go and do is you can go and leave the link in the description of your videos saying get your own article done for you, written for you without writing it yourself. And that way you can use YouTube. You can also use YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, any kind of social media platform to go and get clicks to your gig. Because the secret that I found with the Fiverr algorithm and with the Seoclerks algorithm and any freelance platform, the trick to getting listed on the top page is getting external traffic from other platforms like social media, because at the end of the day, these websites are businesses. If you can bring them traffic, if you can bring them sales, they will reward you by putting your gig on the top pages. And that's where it's a win-win for everybody, because once you get listed on the top pages of these websites, you are going to get sales every single day, because thousands of people are going to see your gig and you will at least get between 1 to 5 sales a day. And that is how you scale to hundreds of dollars a day, and how these people have scaled to well over 6 figures in their lifetime doing this. Let's go and use another example. This person over here got 9.6K views. Now that is a lot of potential views and a lot of potential clients. Let's say 200 people clicked on your gig over here and they didn't even make sales. Immediately, the Seoclerks algorithm is going to see this gig is getting hundreds of clicks from this external platform called YouTube. They're going to bump up your gig. Just like that, by not even getting sales, but just getting clicks and views from external sites, you will get bumped up in the algorithm, and that is how you will slowly progress to the top pages of these websites. Something like this might take a bit of time, but if you put the effort into what I've shown you in today's video, it can really pay off. Like you've seen these people over here making full-time living off of this. Even if you scroll down, people on the second and third page are getting sales, but you ultimately want to get on the top page just like I do. So this way, using the strategy, using all the external traffic like I've showed you, you can also go and create TikToks, reviewing software, creating education TikToks, giving value. And I want you to note how everything around most of the business models I speak about is based on content, building a brand. That's the trick to everything, is building an audience, because you can utilize that and monetize that in so many different ways, like I've showed you with this Seoclerks strategy. Now, if you want to learn how to offer more high income skills and services like web development, programming, app design, services where you get paid thousands of dollars per project without even doing that work yourself, I'm going to give you an entire drop servicing course completely for free. So on the screen over here, I've got about 50 videos in this drop servicing playlist over here. Some of them up to 40-minute tutorials and webinars on how I build my own funnels, how I outsource services through Fiverr, how I identify the perfect service, identifying trends around the world. All of these videos over here will teach you all the necessary skills you need to sell any service that you want to, or any skill that you want to, anywhere in the world internationally. So go and click on this playlist over here to get started, and I'll see you over there.